Good morning, student. I hope all of you are doing well and in touch with your studies. Today we are going to start a new topic, Introduction to Internet, which is in chapter number 8 of your computer book. So let's begin. As you are very much familiar with the term of Internet, so before starting it, we should know another term, that is network. If two or more computers are connected with each other, then it is called network. So internet is nothing but a largest, biggest network where millions of computers are connected with each other in such a way that they can share their informations with each other. That's why internet stands for international network. Now tell me, what are the uses of internet? Yes, nowadays internet is used in each and every sector in our daily life, like education sector, communication sector, hospital industry, traveling industry, in each and every sector. If we think about educational sector, we are doing online classes through internet, that we are doing now. We can get information, we can download images, pictures, audio, video through the internet very easily. We can even upload our information to the internet also. So another main use of internet is online shopping. Nowadays we can't go to the outside of our home to shop anything, our daily groceries and vegetables and all. So we can do that through the online shopping apps through the internet very easily. There are a lot of apps like Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket, which are used to do the online shopping. Next, another use of internet is through internet we can communicate with our friends, with our relatives very easily using different social networking sites like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and all. So these are the main usefulness of internet, main uses of internet. Now tell me about the requirements, basic requirements which are needed to connect an internet to our PC. Yes, the basic requirements which are needed are telephone lines, cables, modem and ISP. The term modem and ISP is new for you. So let's know what is modem. Modem is modulator, demodulator. We can get internet connection from telephone line, but the signal that is in telephone line is analog signal and the signal of computer is digital signal. So modem is used to convert analog signal to digital signal and digital signal to analog signal. So there are two type of modem we are basically use. We use basically internal modem, which is connected inside the computer, inside the CPU, and external modem also we use at the as we see in the which we can connect at the outside of our computer. Okay. Now the next term is that is ISP, that is internet service provider. Internet service provider are the companies which give us the internet connection, like Jio, Airtel and all. Okay. Now let's know about some important and common terms which are related to internet. So to open internet, the software which we have to install in our computer is called web browser. So web browser is a software which is used to connect the internet. Okay. So if we click on a web browser, some of the web browsers, important web browsers, commonly used web browsers are Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and whenever we click on any of the web browser, we can go to the internet world. So the first page, when we open internet, the first page that comes is called the home page. Each page in internet which stores data, information, images, audios, videos is called web page. A collection of web pages which are interconnected with each other is called website. And we write the website address at the top of the white bar, that is called the address bar, and in address bar we have to write the web address or destination address which we want to open. Okay, that destination address, that is called a URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator. These are the most commonly used internet terms. Okay, so for today I am just completing my lecture, and the rest of the part I will take in the next class. Okay, and I am giving my PPT on the same, and some assignment question and solutions of that. Just check those and write on your classwork copy, okay, all the question and answers. Till then, thank you.